Hey, good morning, everybody. It's a Sunday morning. About to head out to Darien to meet up with my friends out there. We're gonna do a long run today at Waterfall Glen. It's about the 10 miles that we're gonna be doing today. The trail usually about 9.5 miles. I ran before. I ran there. It's a beautiful trail. If you haven't been there, I suggest you guys to go out there. I'm about to drive. I'll see you guys out there. Alright guys, just got here about 5 minutes in here waiting. It's 5:26 or so. I bring some hydration. Right away coming out of my house, I feel a little humidity, even though it's 5:25 this morning, and I'm waiting for everybody to show up. I see a couple people already. One friend of mine who's behind me and one in front of me. So I'm just gonna carry this with me. I'm gonna be carrying my flip belt. I have my cell phone with me, and obviously my car key, and my GoPro. Place is not open yet for parking, but it is for us runners. We need to come in here and do our thing. People already are doing their runs. As a matter of fact, they have their, like, there's a trail on this side or an entry there, or come through here, don't matter. But people are here waiting here for our coach to arrive, and once we get here, we're gonna start doing a little mobility warm-up and get this running. ¿Listo? 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 ¿Cuánto soy? No, hay otro. ¿Cómo días? ¿20? Nada, como si no empiezo con... Alright, this is the start of the trail. Let's go. Oh, el río, mira. Wow. Good morning. Yo no veo soltero. ¡Ay, locura hermosa! The first hill. This is where we usually come in and do our trail trainings here. All right, the first one. "15 seconds. All right, we're about to start on the second one. Here we go. We're in the third one. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Let's go. Let's go. Ya casi, ya. Oh, yeah. ¿Eres Emilio? Uy,
15.
Ah.
Pero este que no, la gente...
No, no se vale, así no se vale. No, no se puede hacer nada.
Lo que quiera, pero mi papi yo me quedo con... No quiero que vayas hablando como el otro día que no...
Tiene 7 y hoy 10. Y termina la vamos a poner más.